Summer is the perfect season for cold dishes. Last summer, I shared a baked chicken wings recipe. Today, I wanted to share with you the vegan version of the dish, vegan roasted goose. Vegan roasted goose is a cold dish well known in southern part of China. It is named after its roasted goose-like appearance and its veggie fillings. With each bite, you can taste the savor of the roasted goose and the freshness of the veggies. So let's start with the ingredients. The most important ingredient is the fresh tofu skin, or also known as bean curd sheets. Usually, you can locate this in the freezer section in the Chinese supermarket. Here, we have about 10 bean curd sheets. Like the thin layer of skin that surfaces when milk is getting boiled, bean curd sheet is a skin floating up when soy milk is boiled and then dehydrated. It is chewy when simmered, crispy when fried, and rich in protein. Nutritious and tasty, bean curd sheet is widely used in many vegan dishes in Chinese food. For flavoring, you'll need some ginger, green onion, sugar, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Then for the fillings, we have some blackwood ears, carrot, oyster mushrooms, and bamboo shoots. Some of the veggies might be foreign to you, but they're absolutely delicious. Wood ears and bamboo shoots have a crunchy texture and are rich in dietary fiber. Oyster mushroom is fleshy and juicy, and carrot, of course, is nutritious and brings some color to the dish. Cut or shred all the above ingredients into thin strips, green onion into chunks. If you want to make an easier version of the dish, tofu skin roasted goose, you can skip all those fillings, instead just fill in the fresh bean curd sheets. With our ingredients set up and ready to go, we can start making the dish. Our first step is to prepare the sauce. Add the sugar, sesame oil, ginger, green onion to soy sauce to add some flavor. Leave it aside and let the flavor settle. Now scald the chopped veggies in boiling water for 5 minutes. When the veggies got cooked and softened, drain the water and take them out. Mix them with 1/3 of the sauce that we just made. Now we can start assembling the veggie roasted goose. Cut the fresh bean curd sheets into smaller pieces. Soak those pieces in the water slightly to soften them. You just need to slightly rinse it as if you were rinsing a cloth. Remember, you don't want to over-soak it. If it gets too soft and slimy, it will be very hard to keep the shape of the roll when you are trying to fry it. Now you can place the veggie mix onto the damp bean curd sheets. Wrap it up like how you would wrap up a burrito. Fold the sides first, then roll it up to close it. Use the same method, wrap another layer of rinsed bean curd sheet. For the outermost layer, take a dry bean curd sheet, brush on some sauce that we made in the beginning, and wrap it up. And now you've got your veggie roll ready. If you want to make full tofu roasted goose, you can just sub the veggies with bean curd sheet soaked with water or sauce. Use the same method to wrap up 3 layers. Now we can take the veggie rolls and fry them. Heat the oil, fry the wrapped bean curd rolls until golden on both sides. When the amount of oil lessens, pour in the sauce we made earlier with green onion and ginger, and add a bowl of water. Fill it up till you reach the level of the rolls. Bring it to boil and thicken the sauce on the medium heat. Remember to flip the roll in the meantime so the color and flavor of the sauce can be applied evenly. And we're done! You can transfer it to a plate and cut into smaller pieces for easier consumption. The fried bean curd rolls will have a slightly charred uneven surface. After being braised in the soy sauce for a while, you'll notice that the texture and the color will be similar to the surface of an actual roasted goose, even with some little goosebumps. But when you cut it open, it will be nourishing and refreshing veggies inside. Or the tender and flavorful tofu skin. You can eat it while it's warm, or you can serve it as a cold dish. This dish can be a delicious appetizer or a perfect side dish that goes with the drinks. Plus, you can share it with all your vegan or non-vegan friends. So why don't you give it a go?